Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting off with a weekly vlog for my first week of university. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and like the video, and let me know in the comments how your first week of university is going. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm now past 100 subscribers. I'm so glad that I got there. Thank you for getting me there. And I now have a custom URL link, so I'll link it down below. It's just www.youtube.com/thelifeofevan, and you guys can share that on your social medias, and it would really help if you retweeted my tweets on Twitter about my channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So today we've been to the Freshers Fair. We've been doing cheerleading from 10 AM till 4 PM. It's been really long. But yeah, I've got loads of clips of us cheerleading, and I've got videos of our dancing and our stunting, and just what Freshers is like, being in the second year and seeing everyone. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I love how they advertise PayPal, Boohoo, and everything in one go.
Nowadays they call me gingerbread man, cause they just can't catch him. All the ladies love me, I love them too, you gotta understand him.
That was a good one, that was a good one.
Over here.
So today we've been going around Freshers, and we've been doing cheer for like 5 hours now, and we're very tired and very hot. I have quite a lot of stuff, let me show you. So it was really cool actually. Boohoo did this thing. There was a collaboration with PayPal, and basically you sign up to get 10% off and free, what's it called? Free, like unlimited delivery basically. And then you get a donut, and this is the rest of the donut that we have. I'm gonna eat the rest of it. So here's my cheer outfit. I actually love it, although it's boiling. Long sleeve and tight, and yeah, but I'm excited to show you guys my room tour when my room is fully done and all nice. And sorry. Anyways, I will speak to you guys later. I'm just gonna sort myself out. It looks so good, oh my gosh. Birthday girl! Where is it? Oh! Enjoy your food, girl. Oh my gosh, it's your birthday cake. It's your second birthday cake. Right, there we are. We're trying to do a photo shoot for the birthday girl.
Wait, what did you say?
That would be a cute photo. You can like that.
Do you want to try that position?
No. I'm out one there, like I'm on the stairs.
But we've taken good ones, look.
Let's go.
Oh, like this one, like my mum's getting is like really good.
It's my birthday, it's my birthday. Right, do you want to do it? So should I go down there and take a photo while you stand up here?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to be
On the stairs.
Oh, I don't know what to do.
You
just
What do I do?
point the camera.
It's recording, isn't it? Yeah, it is.
It's already recording.
Yeah. If you want to stop it, just press the red for now.
No, you need to.
Oh, that's cute. Girl, change it up each frame, each frame. Have you never watched America's Next Top Model? Oh no, you can't because you...
Wait, what did you want?
Wait, go back.
Go back up.
Yeah, like that. Like, jump, yeah.
Show her, Urban.
Now this feels not like.
She's reviewing the photos. Wait, show the penguin. Go back.
I don't know, where is it? This one? I don't know. That one?
Please actually post them. Okay guys, this is our new photo place. This is the new place. So we're currently doing a photo shoot for Rebecca's 20th birthday. If you want to see the photos, I'll link Rebecca's Instagram down below. Should I? Okay, okay, Rebecca.
Wait, just right now, wait.
Shout it out.
Shout it out.
No.
I'm zooming.
Shout yourself out.
What's your Instagram? Uni Live. You stretching there, Ria? So today is Tuesday and I start lectures today. I start university, second year, and I haven't really thought about it too much, but obviously this year counts towards my end of year degree, and I'm just a bit like, oh, I need to really, you know, prepare myself, because last year I left rewriting the notes until like exam season, which was really stressful. So I'm really trying to work on myself and work on being more organized and just getting the notes done, even though it can be boring. But yeah, so I'm back at university. Sorry, my top is extremely creased. Yeah, so this morning we went to the gym. Me and Rebecca went to the gym and they redid it, and it's so much nicer, really nice and spacious. So it's now 2 o'clock and my lecture starts at 3. Oh snap, so I have an hour, so I need to eat my lunch and like pack my bag, which sounds silly, like school stuff. But I only have 1 hour of lectures today, so it's 3 till 4. And then after that, we're gonna go to our shopping centre because they have this thing called student sessions. I think quite a lot of universities have that. It's up to 40% off all the shops in the shopping centre that's nearest to us. So we're gonna go and buy some things. I wanna get some Topshop black jeans and just some tops and maybe some jumpers, but mainly tops, and whatever else. Maybe some things for my room. I want to get some fairy lights, some makeup holders to put on my desk and stuff. You guys are sitting on my desk right now because I want to make my room more homely and everything before I show you guys my room in my room tour. And we're going to go shopping, and I will hopefully take you guys shopping and see what is there. But yeah, so I'm just going to pack my bag for my first lecture, which I'm leaving for in 9 minutes. I'm going to take this backpack and put my laptop in it, but I'm actually going to use my laptop to follow the slides, because those of you guys who have started university will know that some lectures go really quickly, and so I use my laptop to flick through the slides if I'm slower than them. But I do like to write my notes on paper. I don't know why, I just feel like I learn more when I write it my own hands and it's not just typed. Actually, let me log into Blackboard first. Do any of you guys use Blackboard? Blackboard is like our university hub. So this is my bag. It actually fits, which I'm glad about, and it doesn't seem too heavy. So I will see you guys in my lecture, I guess, and when I get back before we go shopping. So I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, so I'm back for my lecture, and it was quite a lot. It was 56 slides in like 50 minutes, and literally the lecturer went like 1 minute per slide, zoomed straight through it. So I definitely need to go over my notes and make sure that I've learned everything. And it's quite funny because I told you guys that I'm going to write my notes by hand because that's how I learn better, but I actually typed up my notes on the computer because it's just quicker to type. It's quicker to type than write. So this is from H&M Home, and I didn't realise we had a really nice H&M Home near my university. So I'm returning this the laundry bag because it's very stiff and it also had a stain on it. And I don't really like it anymore. It's £12.99, so I'm going to return that. And I'm also returning, I love this. This is a daily planner and it's so beautiful. It's from Wilko. It's £3 and I'm going to return it only because the inside is like... So this is a daily planner. So it has each section per day, but I want to have a weekly planner so it has more space to write things in. I can hear the girls, so I've got to get ready to go, but I'll see you guys in the shopping centre. Guys, speed walking. Possibilities. Rebecca, look.
I'm actually confused.
Rebecca. Rebecca. Oh, it's called a memoji. So this is H&M Home. And I just returned my laundry bag, which is good. I have some extra money.
In a mall, in all malls, they have at least one toilet. There's some malls. You have people spend there.
Alright.
Very good. Even though it's the Fujifilm one. Come on. Oh, is it done?
I think so.
Are there 5?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, these are cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. %20 off. These, oh, they could be good. Oh, it's £4 though. $6. Yeah. Free barbecue chicken. Okay. Oh. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and I've been at university for a week now, which is actually crazy. I had my second lecture today. It was a 9 to 11, so it was a really early start, and the building that we were in was quite far, so it was a bit of a trek. But yeah, so I had that lecture and today I'm just gonna edit my videos and go over my notes because I really, like I said, I really want to get on top of my notes. Oh yeah, so yesterday we went to the shopping centre, as you guys will have seen in the previous clips, but I didn't get to show you what I got from the shopping centre because we got back at like 8 or 9 p.m. But I kind of just got basic stuff. I'm kind of annoyed because I really wanted to get clothes like jeans from Topshop, but they didn't have my size. Anyways, I got some basic essentials. I got some micellar water, and this is the gigantic one, which is like £7, but there was a student discount of 20%, which was good. Then I just got some cotton pads from Boots. I got some hairbands from Primark, and then, as you guys would have seen in the clips as well, there was like a Wagamama's spinny wheel thing where you spin it and you can either get a free meal, a free drink, or a free side. And I actually got the free meal, but the annoying thing is they ran out of the free meal cards, so they gave me a free side and a free regular juice instead. And I think my favourite thing that I got yesterday were free prints from Jessop's. So the first one I got was this picture of me and my mum by the girls tour wall in Los Angeles on Melrose Avenue, and then the picture of me by the angel wings. Then I have a photo of me and my family at Disneyland, California, also on holiday. Then I have a photo of me and my friend Naomi when we went to see Beyonce this summer. And then I have a photo of us girls in our cheer photos with Wes on Thursday, just because he came for a meet and greet. And we got to skip the queue because we're cheerleaders and we're part of the sports society, which is really nice. So these are really good quality photos. I really want to go back to Jessop's. It would have cost me £2 for 5 photos. But I do love these photos. I'm going to put them on my wall and start decorating. Right, so now I'm just going to finish editing my university shopping video, which I filmed obviously before I got here. You guys will probably have seen it by now. It should probably be up. So if you haven't seen it, please check it out. I'll link it down below. Hey guys, it's Thursday and it's the evening, so good evening to you guys. So I had 2 lectures back to back today. I had a 2 till 3 and a 3 till 4, and I had cognition for one of them, and then I had developmental and social psychology. So we also went to the library and got some textbooks, some more textbooks. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6 textbooks, so I now have 6 textbooks. I got them all from the library, which is good, so I don't have to pay for them. It's 6:01 and we're gonna go down for dinner at like 7:30ish, maybe just before 8. I've already cooked, which I'm so happy about, so I just have to warm up my food. So I have like an hour and a half to 2 hours of revision, of making notes, and I'm gonna do that now, so I'll just do a time lapse for you guys. But today is the last day of my weekly vlog, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this weekly vlog. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you enjoyed this weekly vlog, and if you'd like to see any more university vlogs, if you'd like to see more about my course, more studying, or more like campus stuff. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe down below, and also hit the notification bell so you can be the first to be notified about my next university video. I'll see you guys very soon.